Hey guys, welcome back to my garden. Welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. The weather's still lovely, so I'm not getting in until it doesn't change. I'll keep making cocktails from my garden, and today it's something really nice and really easy to make. So when I roll the intro, you just go and click this subscribe button and we're all set. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for all your support, to all new subscribers, and to everyone who so far participated in my giveaway. Don't forget, it's still running. Winner, it's gonna be picked next Thursday. Okay, the Thursday which coming. So you still have a few more days to enter. Remember, it's only for UK and Europe. Sorry, my friends from overseas. I will make a worldwide giveaway, I promise. But let's go to the cocktail. Today we're doing Blackberry Agave Caipirinha. Yeah, simple as that, very easy, fantastic for a summer days. So what you need a mixing glass, any glass which you're gonna muddle your fruits and citrus. So grab half of lime and cut pole to the pole, and then cut around 6 to 8 half a rings. They're like 3-4 millimeters. So that's what you get. Put them inside in the glass and give them a good muddling just to release the juice, okay? Right, we're good with that. Next, 6 fresh blackberries. Yeah, they need to be fresh, don't use frozen. 6 fresh. And start muddling more, alright? Make sure you release all of the juice from the blackberries, because that's what is gonna give it the flavor of your cocktail. Beautiful. Now when we are ready, here is the trick. You don't serve obviously in the mixing glass. You need to transfer everything in your serving glass. So I have my here, and I will transfer everything inside, okay? Right, not finished just yet. Now to your cachaça, better to be from the fridge, okay, nice and cold and chill. I'm using organic cachaça, a Belga, wonderful product, but use your favorite cachaça. So you need 60 ml of the cachaça, and first you pour in the glass which you just muddled the fruits, give it a little rinse so you get everything back, and pour the rest of it in your serving glass. Then 30 ml of agave nectar or agave syrup. Wonderful. And now it's final touch before we put the ice. Give it a good stir. You need to make sure you incorporate the agave syrup with the cachaça and with the fruits. Usually if it's a syrup or nectar, it's gonna mix straight away very quick. Now rather than using just a normal crushed ice or just a normal cubes, get your ice. If you have, for example, I'm using my excess from the clear ice, which I always keep it. So just a cracked ice, okay? You don't need to put small ice, just get any big ice you have and just crack it. That's all you need to do. Lovely. There you go, give it a little more stir. And if you feel like it, you can top up with a little bit more ice because you stop the dilution, so it's gonna be nice. And I think I don't... There you go. Oh! All going everywhere but not in the glass, as usual. Here we go, guys. And finally, don't serve with straw, serve with a stirrer, and that's all it is. And this is your Blackberry Agave Caipirinha. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. And don't forget the giveaway. Until then, stay safe, and as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.